Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Okay, today we are going to starting what 8th class IIT mathematics. Okay. Hmm? In this there are nearly 9 chapters are there. How many chapters? 9 chapters. The first one is that is number system. What it is? Number system. Since 6th class or 5th class onwards, the number system. Okay. In this also number system is there, just different is there. Understood? Hmm? More and more applications are there in that. And next one is exponents and radicals. Exponents and radicals. Next one is what? Exponents and radicals. And another one is sets is there. It is very new chapters to you. Hmm? It is not there in any previous classes. And another one is mensuration. One is there and polynomial one is there. And linear equations and arithmetic and same plane geometry and coordinate geometry. Similar chapters are there in your textbook also for 8th class. Am I right? Hmm? Okay. Now we'll be go to start. Which chapter do you want? We go to first chapter onwards. Okay, na? Because basic is there in that. So now number systems. Number systems. Number system. Do you know the numbers? How the numbers may be create? Anyone? How the numbers? They start from digits. Means if you know the digits, then you know the numbers. How the numbers will form? Say, numbers should be formed with the help of what? Digits. Am I right? Huh? Anybody says the numbers? Digits, what they are? How many digits are there? Say, Aryan. Digits. Digits. Do you know digits? How many digits are there? Say, huh? No, 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 no. Digits. Digits. 0, 1, 2. Ah. Huh? Nah, there are 10 digits are there. Huh? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits. 0, including 0, there are 10 digits are there. Okay? Of course. Now we'll be right. The question is like this. Number of digits are dash. If I ask number of digits are dash. So, who can give your options? Now, infinity symbol it is. So, number of digits are dash. Say how many digits? Which option you go there? Option number 2 is right. So, what they are? Solution is like what? Like a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are what? Digits. These are what? Digits. These are digits. Okay. Clear? What are the digits? If anyone asks to you, say how many digits means, what do you say? 10 digits you have to say. In this, a small digit is there and larger digit is there. Biggest digit is there. So, which is the smallest digit? Smallest digit. If anyone asks, smallest digit is dash. Like question. If I given the option, same like a your answer may be like a okay. Like this is there. So which one you may be give? Which is your option?
Second one, sir.
Yes, second one is correct. Zero. Zero is a what? Smallest digit. Huh? Very good. Now you can give same in the same way. I'll be give one more question to you. See this. Like the question is there. Now largest single digit. Largest digit is. Digit is. I won't write single, okay? Largest digit is dash. What is the option you may be given this?
Third one, sir.
Third one, third one, third one, like third one. So this is. And next in the same way, the thing is what? These are single digits. Understood? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are what? Single digit. Of course, they are single numbers. Understood? By using these digits, you can form the numbers. Okay? Now, in this again, you'll be go to some problems like that is the smallest two-digit number. Two-digit number is dash. Now, my options are like this. Like it is there. The smallest two-digit number. Say which one you want to give.
Third one, sir. 10.
Yes, 10, 10, 10, 10, 1 zeros. Very good. Now next one I'll be give this. You note all these, okay na? If you maybe say wait means I'll be wait. No problem. But you have to note. Okay na? The largest two-digit number is dash.
Fourth one, sir. 99.
Yes, 99. What Aryan understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll be repeat this. Now you maybe get some idea how the digits are going to be formed, how the numbers are going to be formed. Now, the smallest three-digit number, this is dash. Who can say this?
100, sir.
Yes, 100, 100, 100, 100. You can write 100. Next, The largest 3-digit number is dash. 999. Very good, very good, very good. One more I'll be giving. And now your answer is 2 questions I given. The smallest 4-digit number?
1000, sir.
1000. Very good. You got idea. Okay. Next, the largest 4-digit number?
9999, sir.
So, here look it is, you are asking what 4 digits? 1, 0, 0, 0. They are ending with what? Zeros. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Small. When you are asking small digits, you should be have zeros. 1 and zeros. Okay? And when you want to say largest 4-digit means 4 nines you have to add. Like it is. Clear this?
Yes, sir.
Be remember this. So like you are reading 1000 is a number. 9999 is a number. So like the numbers are formed from where? Digits. So digits are very important. If digits are not there, we can't form the numbers. So like, so therefore here if I say, that is example, the difference of largest 3-digit number and smallest 4-digit number is dash. Options 999, 99, 11, 1. Which option you maybe give for this question? Yes, 4th option. How the solution? That is largest smallest digit, 4-digit number. What it is? 1000 minus largest 3-digit number is what? 999. This is equal to what? 1 is there. So like consecutives are there, 3, 4. Similarly, if I say this, someone like largest 4-digit number and smallest 3-digit number is that is largest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit number is what? Difference of them 1 only. Understood? One is large, small value, quantity, and 4-digit is 4-digit number. Means smallest is 4-digit, largest is 3-digit. The difference between these two is what? The difference of 3-digit number and smallest 4-digit number. So actually here what is asking first, so here the thing is what? Here you can take this like 1 and -1 I maybe say. How to this? So actually order I am asking what? The difference of largest 3-digit number and smallest 4-digit number is asking. Means first you write what? 9,999. This is the largest 3-digit number. And smallest 4-digit number means minus 1000. This is the thing it is there I am asked here. So options may be like this. So what is your answer? -1 is correct answer. So this is the thing. Like it is. So if I ask the difference of smallest 4-digit and Largest 3 digit means 1000 minus 999. You can write. Then you get positive 1, means 1 plus 1. Okay? That is system order how is asking. In the same way, you try to give the answer. Okay, na? So that is. Now, so like the number systems are there. Understood? Now we can be go how the numbers are there, how many types are there. So understood? So generally, how the numbers are there, numbers, review of the numbers, how they may be there. So like now number system, before going to number system, you should be know number line. What do you know? Number line. Number line is very important. Generally, numbers are what? Complex numbers. From the complex numbers only, numbers are created. Every complex numbers has what? Real part and imaginary part. If you combine together them, you get a what? Complex numbers. So generally, you have what? Number line contains here, that is complex numbers are there. Complex number. First, what you have? Complex numbers. Complex numbers. In this one, that is C is equal to like a plus IB, we can be say this is. Or this contains a what? Real part and imaginary part. Real part and imaginary part. Every complex numbers contains, this is called a real part and this is called the imaginary part value in a organ plane. Okay. So now in this number line, first what you have? Complex numbers are there. Complex numbers, and these are two categories. Just now I told, real part is there and imaginary part is there. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Okay. So in real part, these are real numbers. Otherwise, you can say real numbers. Real numbers comes under real part. And the next, imaginary numbers means the values which are under negative of square roots. They are called what? Imaginary numbers. So imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers. That meaning is, we can say I. Generally, we can represent this with the letter of small I. I meaning is what? Square root of minus 1. This is the meaning of this. So that thing is what? I square is equal to I square. If you do the squaring on either side, you get what? I square is equal to minus 1. So this type of numbers are called what? Imaginary numbers. These are, and remaining whatever may be there, they all are comes under the real parts. Okay. So in this real numbers, actual number line, this is. So now this is a actual our number line. On this number line, some positives and negatives are there, and in the middle 0 is there, which is a neutral charge. It is a neutral charge one. So that is, so like a 0. This is neither a positive nor a negative. That means on this number line, if you move left side of a 0, then the values are going to be decreases. If you move right side, then the values are going to be increases. 1 unit, they are going to be increases. So like let us say 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units, 4 units, 5 units, like so on up to infinity, And similarly, if you move left side, from right to left, then the value becomes what? Decreases 1 unit. So that means, for example, if I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on like. If you move 6 to back 5, it becomes, again if you move from right to left, it becomes 4. Means 1 unit is decreasing. And similarly, 4 to 3, 1 unit is decrease. So like it is going on. So like when you move from left to right, the value is going to be decreased. If you move right to left to right, like this is 1 unit is increased, and this is 1 more unit is increased. Already in 7th class, how you can simplify. So like on a number line, 3 plus 4, How you can write means just 3 units from 0 to here, and plus again 4 units from here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the result. Now total value is from here to it is what? 7 units. This is 3 plus 4. Like this type of problems in 7th class. Am I right? Huh? Na? So like this is. So now you come to, if you come back, then what happened? This is -1, -2, -3, like -4, so on, minus infinity. So like when you move back, then they becomes what? Degree. For example, if I write 3 plus 4 minus 5, if I write, then what do you write this? So that means up to 7 is there, na? Up to here. Now from here onwards, you can start 5 units left, from right to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop here. So this is the minus value from here. So your actual result is what? This is. How much it is there? This was 1, 2. That means 2 units. Like you can say this. And a number line addition and subtraction you maybe do. This system in 7th class, first chapter. Okay. So now here in this one, what you say? Once again you will be recall all these. So if you want to write, you can write. This is some example problem I given on the number line. See this note. If you want, you can note it. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I write this?
Yes, sir.
So like this is a number line. So on this number line, you move from left to right, the value is going to be increases. The value is going to be increases. Now, so these numbers are different in types. So you can take the collection of numbers from 1 to infinity level. These numbers are called what? Natural numbers. Natural numbers. These numbers are called what? Natural numbers. Now this is the natural numbers. And after this, if you start from 0 onwards, these are what? Whole numbers. And if you use minus values, 0 and positive values, then they are called what? Integers. Okay? Integers means the denominator part which have, like if any number you may be write, rational number you may be write in the form p by q, and q is equal to 1, then it is called what? Integer. Okay? So like perfect digit it is. So now these are negatives, positives, and 0 value. These are called what? Integers. Okay. So now these values may be used in the form of what? Fractions. So like a p by q form. And whereas q is not equal to 0 always. Okay. Such type of numbers are called what? Rational numbers. So like we can take these natural numbers. First one. Natural numbers. Number system, our chapter name is number system is there. You should be know the introduction part compulsory. Already in maybe no, you should be note in 8th class also. Understood? That is. So natural numbers. This represented by which letter? Say anyone? Capital N. N. N is equal to what you write? In the set bracket. This is called curly bracket or set bracket. So like these are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to infinity. Up to infinity. Means your choice. You can stop anywhere. That is called what? Infinity. Infinity meaning is what? You can stop anywhere according to your choice. Your needs is called infinity. Next what? Whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by which letter? Say W. Whole numbers are represented by what? W letter. So these are start from where? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on up to infinity. Like, next one is what? Integers. 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 So these are represented by Z. Z or I. These are Z or I. In this also again negative integers are there and positive integers are there. So middle is what? 0. So negative integers means what? -1, -2, -3, -4, so on, like, or minus infinity to -1. They are called what? Negative integer, Z minus. So these are like given as, so like -1, -2, -3, so on, minus infinity. Now in this one, someone maybe ask, what is Z plus? Positive integers. This meaning is what? Positive integers. Say positive integers, what they are? Positive integers from where you can take? Same like natural numbers. Okay? They are like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, like infinity. And similarly, negative integers. Negative integers. From where will we take? These are positive integers. Positive integers. Next one, what do you take? Say negative integers. So how we can give? Z minus is equal to what? So like a -1, -2, -3, -4, so on up to minus infinity. Understood these? Now next one is what? I mean these three are same. These three are called integers. Now we can go to what? Rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational number means what? Say rational numbers. How to write this? This is given as like a Q. A number is Q. These numbers are generally, rational numbers. A number which is in the form of a P by Q and Q not equal to 0, then it is called what? Rational numbers. So P by Q form numbers are, you can watch or you can observe in your textbooks, then you say that is a rational number. And in this condition is there, like Q is always not equal to 0, then this number is called what? Rational number. And again these rational numbers also different types are there. At the time of rational numbers I will explain. Okay. And next, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Numbers means these are generally rational numbers are two types. One is terminating rational number and non-terminating rational numbers are there. And a number which is neither a terminating nor a non-terminating, such type of a number is called what? Irrational number. Okay. So irrational number, that means what? Q dash we can be say. This is equal to, we can write in the form of nth root of a. Nth root of a. Third, in the form of thirds we may be write. Root 2, root 3, root 5, like some are there. So they are called what? Cube root of 4, 7th root of 8, like we may be right now. These numbers are called what? Irrational numbers. Okay. So where n is called what? This is the order of a third. Okay. Or this is also called what? Radical, and this is a is called what? Radicand. Okay. So like this is. So these are all called as what? Actually real numbers. These are all called what? Actually real numbers. So therefore, if you want to check this, what you notice, that is natural numbers are available in a whole numbers. Natural number ఎందులో దొరుకుతాయండి మనం చూస్తే? They are available in a whole numbers. ఉన్నాయా? whole numbers లో ఉన్నాయా? Are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's why we can say what? That meaning is the subset sets will become in the next upcoming chapters. Subset meaning is the elements which are available in set A and those which are available in set B. Then A is a subset of B. Understood? whatever elements are in set A are there, they are also available in set B. Then A is a subset of B. Supermarket. That meaning is what? Local market items are available in a supermarket. That's why local market, our nearest market, is a subset of a supermarket. Okay? Subset. Subset symbol is like this. Like N is a subset of, what do you say this? Whole numbers. This meaning is natural numbers are available in whole numbers. Like if you go in whole numbers, you get a what? Natural numbers. And again, if you go somewhere, integers, in the integers you may be checked. So negatives are there, zeros are there, and positives are there. So these are all available in integers. These are all available in integers. Okay na? And these integers only we can be write like a p by q form, 3 by 4 minus 1 by 5, like 2 by 7, like we may be right na. So like 0 by 1, 4 means what? 4 by 1, 3 means 3 by 1. Like q value is not equal to 0 na. That's why whatever integers are there, we can write in the form of a what? Like a integers form, that is a digits form. So like that meaning is, like for example, if I say 5, 5 is a rational number or not? Of course, 5 is a integer. Is it a rational number or not? Say anyone? 5 digit I given. Is it rational number or not? You say yes. Why? Because 5 means 5 by 1 అని అర్థం. Understood? By 1 అని అర్థం. By not a 0. By 1. So like 0 means 0 by 1 it is. Means 0 is a that is integer. Of course, it is a rational number. The thing is what? Integers, all integers are what? Rational numbers. Be remember this thing. All integers are what? Say rational numbers. So that's why we can say this Z is a subset of what? That is rational numbers. Means in the rational numbers, you get all these integers. And with the help of these rational numbers, we can form a irrational numbers. So this is the one unit. This is one thing. And union of this, and irrational also there. So these are all subset of what? These are all subset of what? That is real number. These are all available in a real number. So that's why what you say this here, natural numbers are there, whole numbers are there, and integers are there, and rational numbers are there, and rational numbers are there. And another one is, what is say this? So just wait. Okay, very good. Now what you say this? So like a rational numbers, that is natural numbers. Next one is what? It is a whole numbers, and whole numbers are available in rational numbers, and these are available in what? In a rational numbers. and separate one it is a irrational number it is, and these are all the what complete union of these are all values, so is called what real numbers. This is the biggest set it is real numbers లో ఏమేమి ఉంటాయండి? What they are? Say in a real numbers you have
natural numbers,
hmm
numbers,
hmm
numbers,
yeah
numbers.
hmm rational number, irrational numbers are there. So these are all what? A real number means real number set is a biggest set. It is a large set. Okay. So like some questions. Okay, we'll be go to some questions. What they are? See this. Question is so which of the following is a whole number? Whole number. Like let us say number which one you may be give option.
Sir, option 4, sir.
Option 4 it is very good. Now question. Which of the following is a correct one? Other true. Which of the following is it true? Is it true? Now Z is a subset of N. The whole numbers. Fourth one is which one you may be give option? Which option you may be take say?
Sir, option 4, sir.
Option
4.
4. Yes, option 4 is there. That meaning is natural numbers are available in real numbers. That is the meaning of n subset of R. But whereas in all these you see this, real numbers are not available in whole numbers. That's why don't say R is a subset of whole numbers. And similarly, here integers are available in natural numbers. No, it is false. Whole numbers are available in natural numbers. No. In the natural numbers, from 1 to are there. In whole number, 0 is there extra. So that is. So answer is what? Fourth one. Which of the following? Which of the following is not a integer? Say. Which of the following is not a integer? Which one you may be give? According to your knowledge, which one you can give is not a integer?
Sir,
Op-
option three.
Option
Three.
3. Anyone? Anyone? Integer. Integer means what I told?
Sir, not integer.
Which of the following is not a integer? Is not a integer. Say what I told. Actually, what is the definition of integer I told? Integer means a number must be in the form of p by q, and q is equal to what? 1. Then it is called a what? It is an integer. Look what it is there here. 7 means 7 by 1. Clear? Huh? Here 0 means 0 by 1. 0 by something is 0 only. So 1 also may be right. Minus 5 meaning is what? Minus 5 by 1. Then meaning by 1 unnate. Here but it is more than 1. So it is a rational number it is. Understood? So your answer is what? Which is not an integer or not a integer is what it is. This is your option. Clear? Huh? Solution is what? For integers. For integers. For integers. Z is equal to what you say? Q value is 1. That is must be what? P by Q. P by Q. Example, like so many can say. So like so on. Minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These are all so on. For all the denominator part is what? 1. For all these, what it have? This denominator part is what? 1 it is. Clear? Understood the meaning of this integer?
Yes, sir.
So like that is. Now in this again we will be go to what? Now some more numbers. Question. Which of the following is not a real number? Not a real number. Question. Options. Say. Which of the following is not a real number? Huh? Option is what? Fourth option. Why it is a fourth option? Say.
Sir, because there is a negative.
Yes. Already I told in the previous class that is now in the book. This is there. Here. See this, what it is there. Imaginary number it is. It is not a real number it is. Am I right? See this. Imaginary number it is. Under square root. Under square root of negative may be there. Then we can say it is a imaginary number or complex number. Okay, imaginary number it is. So, but it is not a real number it is. It is not a real number. Leave this. Like imaginary complex number. Understood this? This is the meaning. This is the separate numbers other than real numbers. Clear? Hmm? Now we'll be go to some more. Answer is what this is. What is your solution say anyone? How to do this? How much it may be there actually what it is there? The solution is, solution you can write as square root of minus 8. This is there. So how to write this? Square root of minus 1 into square root of 8 like it is there. Means root AB, algebraic formula, root AB, root A into root B. That meaning is square root of minus 1 into square root of 8. This means this square root of minus 1 is called what? I. What do you say this? I. And common you can write root 8. Perfect square root factor you maybe take out 1 and other one is a prime factor. So like 2 into 4 like you maybe write this. Square root of 4 value is what? 2. 2 root 2. 2 root 2i. This value also you can say as what? 2 root 2i. Otherwise we can write as I 2 root 2 also can be write. This is called square root of minus 8. Minus 8. This is square root of minus 8 we can say I 2 root 2. Imaginary value it is. Clear? Understood this? Now go to the next. Now see this. Now some more any numbers types. You know that is even numbers. Next what it is there? Even numbers. Even numbers. Even numbers. So even numbers meaning is what? A number which is perfectly divisible by 2 is called what? Even number. That meaning is, if a number is divisible by 2, the remainder becomes what? 0. Then it is called a even number. Means which you can able to divide into 2 equal parts. Then the remainder becomes what? 0 is there. So such type of numbers are called what? Even numbers. So what they are? So they may be like a number which is divisible by 2 are called, otherwise is called a even number. Even number. Like it is even number. So can you say examples? Examples. So they are start from where? That is even numbers. Set of even numbers. What do you write? Like 2, 4. 0 also maybe take 0 by something is 0 only na. 0 will also come, but actual numbers are 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Say all of 12, like so on. These are what? Even numbers. Okay now. Now this is. Now in this one. Next what is the odd number? Odd numbers. Odd numbers means what? Odd numbers. Odd numbers. Anyone say the definition? Look, it is, if I do example, for example 8 is there. If I divide this 8 with 2, then 2 4 times 8. The remainder is what? 0. That's the remainder is 0 na. So that's why we can say 8 is a what? Even number. 8 is a even number, like you maybe say. So like example it is. How you can prove 8 is a even number? How you can say? How you can say 8 is even? Like question may be there. Then your solution becomes what? Like this. Just to do this, divide 8 with 2. Then you get a remainder 0. Huh? So, like, means 2, 4, 4. 2 equal parts you maybe do the 8. Huh? That's why this is even number. Now, odd number. A number which is divisible by 2 and gives a remainder is what? Gives a remainder. Remainder is 1. Then it is called a what? Then it is a dash. Then it is a dash. What it is? Odd number it is. What it is? Odd number. We can write a odd number. Example, they maybe start from 1 onwards. So, general formula for this. For the general formula is what? You can write the general formula also, you maybe know, for even numbers and odd numbers. This is very important for tough questions, for any higher level of questions. So, that's why you know this. So, general form of a even number. Even number is a dash. Then you can say the answer is what? 2k. What do you write? 2k. 2k. Otherwise, 2x, 2m. Like a open value is there. So, this is 2k. Where k belongs to what? K belongs to positive integers. K belongs to what? Positive integer. That meaning is z plus, say what is positive integers? Anyone? Just now I explained positive integers, negative integers. Huh? What are the positive integers? Say?
They start from 1 and go.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 are called what? Positive integers. Now think, the question is given general form of a even number is 2k I told. So say whether 2k is a even number or not. How we can check? The solution at the place of k value maybe take what? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Like positives you can take. So for example, if you substitute one value at the place of k, then what it becomes? Say 2 it is. Amma. So 1, 2 into 1 it is what? 2 it is. If you take 2 value at the place of k, then what it is? 2 into 2 it is. It is what? 4. Like na? These are going on like this. I think this is disturbing to you. May bring this down. Chuddam. Now check this, what it is there. Next what? Next what I write? Say 2 into what I write? K value I started from 1, 2. Next what? Inko even number avalante, what do you do? You can go to take a 3 also. K value. That means what I write this? 2 into 3 is equal how much? Say yourself. These are your problems. You say all of. Meer cheppale. Say 2 into 3 how much? 6 it is. 6. One more number can you take? We can substitute in this. ఇందులో పెట్టాలి. K value ఎంత పెట్టాలి ఇప్పుడు మనం? 4. 4 పెడితే ఎంత వస్తుందండి? How much it will get? Say? Yes, 2 into 4. Means is equal to 8. That meaning what I did, k is equal to 1. Then I got 2. K is equal to 2. Then I got 4. K is equal to 3. Then I got what? 6. K is equal to 4. Then I got what? 8. So like so on. Your choice. Whatever value may be take. K. But it gives a 2k value becomes what? Even. Okay now? So that's why the numbers are what like 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. That's why what is say this? This number is called what? Even number. Clear? Clear? Hmm? Now come to this next what it is there. Odd number also same. Odd number. Odd number. Noted this? Huh? Now come to this next odd number. What is odd number? So example of odd numbers are what? Example like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, so on. These are. So consecutive odd numbers, consecutive even numbers. That also one thing is there. Consecutive means what? One after the other. That means on a number line. Means regular formation of numbers are called what? Consecutive numbers. For example, consecutive 3 even numbers. 2, 4, 6. Consecutive 2 odd numbers. Say anywhere, but consecutive you have to say. Like 41, 43. 71, 73. Like it is. Okay? Consecutive. That is the thing is. So like the difference is what? The difference of any two consecutive odd numbers is what? 2. The difference of any two consecutive even numbers is what? 2. Like difference 7 minus 5, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. Like it is there. Okay? So that is. Now here. So next one is general form of odd numbers. Odd numbers is the dash. What do you write this? General form. Means formula form we have to write. In the form of formula you have to write the odd number. In the form of formula even number we are given what? 2k. Kada? 2k, 2x, 2b, like these are all what? Even numbers. Whereas this is 2k plus 1, like you can write. 2k plus 1 it is. Where k belongs to what? K belongs to z plus, you can write. Same thing. K belongs to z plus. That meaning is, example you may be take. Solution is 2k plus 1 is our formula. Now k belongs to what? Positive integers. Means like 1, 2, 3, 4, itla ivanni untai. So like these values may be substitute in the case of at the place of k, then you get about odd numbers. What they are? So like 2k plus 1, let k is equal to 1. Let k is equal to 1. What do you get? 1, 2 into 1 plus 1, like it is. 2 into 1 plus 1. This is equal to what? 2 plus 1, it is what? 3. Like it is. And similarly, k is equal to 2 you may be take. Of course, this you may be start 0 also, k value. No problem. So then what it is? K is equal to 0 means, then you get 2 into 0 plus 1 is equal to what? 0 plus 1 is equal to what? 1. K is equal to 3 means, 2 means, what I write say? K is equal to 2 means 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1. This is equal to what? 2 to the 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 5 this is like. So like you go on substitute the values. Now for example, k is equal to 3. Then what did they say? Anyone? How much? How we can write? How we can write? Yes, 2 into 3 plus 1 is equal to how much? How much you get? How much you get?
7.
7. 7. So like 6 plus 1, it is what? 7. So like so on. If you write all these numbers, how these are? How these are? They are odd numbers. Understood? That's why this is called what? Formula of odd numbers. So therefore, like 1, 3, 5, 7, so on, you will be get. They are what? Odd numbers. Clear? Now I will give one question. Okay, I will give one question. Are you ready to say? Huh? See this what? Question. Question. The general form of even numbers. Even number is dash. Option. Two n plus 1. Say what it is. Which one you maybe give? General form. Where n is a what? Integer. Generally n is a what? That is a what? Integer. So which option you maybe go? Option 1. 1. 1 it is there. So, okay. So like where n is? N belongs to positive integers, like you may say. Otherwise, integers. Integers. So answer is this. Next question. Are you noting all these? Should be note. Understood this? Next, second one. General form of odd number. Odd numbers. Or odd numbers. Odd numbers you can write. Even numbers, odd numbers. Say what it is. Anyone?
2n plus 1. Option number 2.
Which one? Answer? 2. Option number is 2. Just now I explained 2k, 2k plus 1. At the place of k, just I changed letter. In your test also, they maybe changes the symbol or any alphabetical number. Then don't think about it. Simply can give your concept. That is the thing. Okay. So now, next question. The difference of any two consecutive even numbers is dash. Option. Which option may we go?
Option number 3 2.
Option number
3.
3. Example, look, it is solution. Say any two consecutive odd numbers, even numbers.
8 and 6.
6, 8, not 8 and 6. Huh? So 6, 8. 6, 8. Then difference is what, like 8 minus 6. So 8 and 6. What it is there? 2. Clear? Say any two any consecutive two consecutive even numbers between 70 and 80. Any two consecutive even numbers between 70 and 80.
72, 74.
72 and 74. 74. Then the difference is what? 74 minus 72 is equal to what? 2. So like how much you are getting? 2 only there. So answer is what? 2. Like so like question. The difference of smallest even number and largest 2-digit number. Number is dash. Say which option you go?
Sir, option number 297.
Option number is what?
Option number 2.
Smallest even and largest 2-digit number. What is the largest two-digit number? Say anyone? Largest 2-digit number. It is 99 minus smallest even number is what? 2. This is what? 97. Answer is what? 97. So like answer is 97. Okay, now this is what happened? Najim. Who is? Say what is your name?
Ibrahim.
Ibrahim. Why are you making a disturb? Are you noting all this?
Yes.
Don't make the noise. If you want to say something, unmute and speak. Till then, mute it. And note each and every one.
Okay.
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 I want to know by any process.
Okay.
So now, properties. Now some more numbers you maybe go. We will be complete all these numbers. What it is? Prime numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers. So before going to these prime numbers, it is better to go factorization. Factorization. What are the factors? Factors. Factor meaning is what? If a number divide the other number perfectly and remainder becomes 0, then we can say A is a factor of B. Means if B is divided by A, then the remainder is 0, then A is a factor of B. Understood? So there is a factor theorem in that. Otherwise I will be right. So factors theorem. Factors theorem. What it is there? That is a rational integral function. A rational integral function. Function f of x is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is then the remainder f of a is equal to what? 0 it is. Then the remainder is what? F of a. That value must be what? 0. Then we can say then x minus a is a factor of f of x, like you can say this. That meaning is f of x you are going to dividing with x minus a, then you get a some quotient and remainder you will be get. So how to write this? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That formula I can write. That means f of x is equal to x minus a into q plus remainder. This is the remainder theorem it is. Now in this one, with x minus a you are dividing na. So if x is equal to a, if x is equal to, you may be right. Then what you get? F of a. At the place of x you have to write a. Then what it becomes? A minus into q plus r. Now this becomes what? Ibrahim, disturbance is coming from your side. 0 into q plus r. That means 0 plus r. The remainder value you get what? F of a. This value you maybe take if f of a is equal to 0. Then what you say? Then remainder is 0. Remainder 0 వస్తే ఏం చెప్పాలి అప్పుడు? X minus a is a factor of what? X minus a is a factor of f of x. So then x minus a is a factor of f of x. That is. So remainder means just to say f of a. F of a you can write, then it becomes what? Remainder in a polynomials. Understood? That will be go to in the next chapter. So like factors means example. Can you say eight is a factor of 72? Question mark. So yes, no, not possible. Like fourth one is 1 or 2. Which option you maybe give?
First one, sir, yes.
Yes. How we can say this? Solution is like 72 we are going to dividing with 8. How many times it is possible? Say
9 times, sir.
9 times. 9 times 72. And remainder is 0. 72 minus 72 is what? 0 na? So therefore remainder we got what? 0. So that's why 8 is a factor of what? 72. So therefore what do you write this? 0 remainder. Therefore 8 is a factor of 72. Like we can say this is the solution. Okay na? So that is our option is 1. Now so therefore factors you can write. Factors how to write this? Factors. 1 has how many factors? Say 1 is divisible by 1 only. So that's why 1 has how many factors? Only 1. And 2 has how many factors? 2 is divisible by 1 2 times and with 2 1 time. So 1 కు factors 1 ఉంటుంది. 2 కు factors 2 ఉంటాయి. For 3 how many factors are there? Say it is divisible by what numbers? 1 and 3. These are set brackets. This is called what? Set bracket or curly bracket. Okay. Now 4. Say 4 is divisible by what numbers? 1 4 times, 2 2 times, and 4 4 1 time. Like. Next with 5. 5. Say 1 and 5. 1 and 5. 1 and 5 only, not other numbers. 1 5 times, 5 1 time. That is. Next 6. 6 what? 1, 2, 3, and 6. The meaning is, you observe in all these, a number is divisible by 1 and itself also. 1 and itself, 1 and itself, 1 and itself, 1 and itself, 1 and itself. Understood? So next 7. So 7 is what? 7 has how many factors? 1 and 7. Next 8. 1, 2, 4, 4, 8. Next 1, 3. Next 1 3 और 8. अरे 8 से डिविजिबल होता क्या? ये तो नहीं. कहाँ होता? बोलो. से वेयर इट इज पॉसिबल. हाँ, रिमाइंडर 0 आता क्या उसको डिवाइड करे तो? थिंक इट इज प्रॉपरली. हाँ, 1 and 9 9 9 1 time, like 9 9 1 ja 9, like 0. So like 1 3 9. Now for 10. For 10, 1 2 5 and 10. Compulsory a number divisible by 1 and itself. Be remember that. Next 11. 11. Say, what are the factors of 11? 1 and 11. Now 12. 1 2 3 4 6 12. Next 13. 1 and 13. Next 14. Next 14. Say 1 2 7 14. Every number itself divisible by. Next 15. 1 3 5s are also there na. 5 3 times or 3 5 times is 15. So 1 3 5 15. Next 16. 1 2 4 8 16. Next 17. 1 and 17. Now 18. 1 2. Every even number must be divisible by 2. So check the units place. Whether it is even number, then it becomes whole number is even number. Okay. Then 1 2 3 6. 2 divides 18 9 times. So 9 also. 9 divided 2 times. And 18. Next 19. 1 and 19. 20. 1 2. Next 4. Order. Ascending order you have to take. 4, 5, 10, 20. So like you go on, write the factors of every number. Now you go to which are the prime numbers, which are not a prime numbers. Prime number means a number which has only two factors, one and itself. Then they are called what? Prime numbers. A number which has more than two factors, they are called what? Composite numbers. Okay na? Now see. So what are the prime numbers in this? Say. What are the prime numbers in this? Now say this. Prime numbers. Prime numbers. Definition of prime numbers. Prime numbers. A number which has only two factors is called dash. Next, composite number. Now example, say what it is. Which are only two factors in this? Say two factors ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? 1, 2, 5. Here 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. Next
7, sir.
7. Next
11,
11,
13, 17,
19. So these are the prime number below 20. Okay. So question is like prime numbers less than 20 is equal to what? Is equal to dash. What do you write? Your answer. What they are? Right from starting on 2. Next. Say 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 19. So like how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number also they may be asked in the exam. Number of prime number below 20 are dash. 8 your answer. Okay. So like. So these are prime numbers less than 20. Composite numbers. What it is? Composite number. Composite number. Composite numbers means what you say? Numbers which has more than two factors. Numbers. Numbers which has more than two factors are called dash. Say what? Example. Fill in the blanks. What do you write? Composite numbers. These are what? Prime numbers. Prime number. And this is composite number. Say some examples. Below 20, what they are? Check. Below 20, what they are? 4, 8, 9, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. So these are up to 20. Up to 20 composite numbers are there. Okay? Understood this? Can I give one question? From this? So look, one question I'll be give. 1 or 2 questions. dash is neither prime nor composite. Composite. Option. Which one you want to give? Dash is neither a prime nor a composite.
One, sir.
Yes, one అనేది prime కాదు composite because it is not contains at least two factors or more than two factors. That is, so that's why your answer is what? One is there, one is there, one is there. This is next. The sum of least prime and least composite. Composite is dash. Which one you want to give?
6, sir.
Yes. 2. Arey kawa. No. It is 6. Answer is what? 6. How? Solution sum I told. Sum means what? You can add. Least of prime is what? 2. And least of composite is what? 4. This is equal to what? 6. Answer. Like. Okay na? So like we'll be take 5 to 10 minutes, 5 minutes leisure. After that I'll be take the class. Okay, just to take the drinks.